We'll guide you through how to make bump map on Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Alight Motion on your device. Once the application is ready, press the Create New Project button located at the top of the screen to begin a new project. Next, set up the project according to your needs by selecting the project settings that fit your editing preferences. After completing the setup, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside the new project, press the plus button located below the timeline to add media. Browse through your files and select the footage that you want to import into the timeline. After choosing the footage, press it to import it into your project. Once the footage has been added successfully, select the footage layer in the timeline to open the small menu containing the available editing options. From the menu, press Effect to open the effect settings for the selected footage. Inside the Effect menu, select Add Effect to access the effect browser. In the effect browser, go to the Color and Light category and scroll through the available effects until you find Bump Map. Once you locate the Bump Map effect, select it and add it to the footage layer. After applying the effect, choose the Bump Map preset according to your preference. Once the preset has been selected, adjust the remaining effect settings until the appearance matches the result you want to create. Continue adjusting the available values until you are satisfied with the final look of the effect. After completing the adjustments, press the play button to preview the animation and see how the bump map effect appears on your footage. Watch the preview carefully to confirm that the effect looks the way you intended. If the result matches your preference, then the editing process is complete. By following every step in the correct order, you have successfully created a bump map effect in Alight Motion.